Welcome back to my YouTube channel MVP Auto Update Hub. Today, we bring you an in-depth look at the Yamaha MT-15 V2, a motorcycle that blends power, agility, and Streetfighter aesthetics into one thrilling ride. If you're a fan of naked sports bikes, then this one's going to get your heart racing. The Yamaha MT-15 V2 is an upgrade that takes inspiration from its elder sibling, the MT-09. With a design that screams aggression, the bike carries a futuristic look, thanks to the bifunctional LED projector headlamp, sculpted fuel tank, and dynamic graphics. The bold stance ensures that it demands attention wherever it goes. Under the hood, the MT-15 V2 is powered by a 155cc, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine with variable valve actuation (VVA). This setup produces an impressive 18.4 PS of power at 10,000 RPM and 14.1 Nm of torque at 7,500 RPM. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox and an assist and slipper clutch, this bike ensures smooth shifts and better control during aggressive riding. One of the standout features of the MT-15 V2 is its Delta box frame, which provides exceptional stability and handling. The improved USD forks at the front and the linked-type monocross suspension at the rear absorb shocks efficiently, making it an ideal companion for both city commutes and spirited rides. With a curb weight of just 139 kilograms, the bike is incredibly nimble, allowing riders to zip through traffic with ease. Yamaha has also enhanced safety on the MT-15 V2 by equipping it with a dual-channel ABS system. The front and rear disc brakes provide precise stopping power, ensuring confidence-inspiring braking even at high speeds. The 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in grippy radial tires further contribute to its excellent road grip. The fully digital LCD instrument cluster keeps the rider informed with a host of essential details, including a speedometer, tachometer, gear position indicator, and fuel gauge. Yamaha's Y-Connect app enhances the riding experience by offering smartphone connectivity, call and message alerts, and even fuel consumption tracking. With a fuel tank capacity of 10 liters and a mileage of approximately 45 km/h, the MT-15 V2 strikes a balance between performance and efficiency. Whether you're an urban rider or an enthusiast looking for weekend thrills, this bike won't disappoint. Priced competitively in its segment, the Yamaha MT-15 V2 goes up against rivals like the KTM Duke 125 and the TV's Apache RTR 200. However, with its superior engine technology, aggressive design, and lightweight frame, the MT-15 V2 stands out as one of the best choices for performance-seeking riders. So, is the Yamaha MT-15 V2 the ultimate Streetfighter for you? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto Update Hub for more exciting motorcycle updates. See you in the next one. Ride safe and stay updated.